How to split one cell into two parts. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I am going to show you how to split one cell into two parts. So let's say I have my classes routine in this way, but I need to add something here like days and time. So this thing doesn't look appealing. As you can see, I want to show days in this part of the cell and I want time to show in this part and separate it with a line. So to do this, you need to right click on this cell and go to Format Cells. After that, it will open up a dialog box for you and we need to go to Borders. Here, there is an option to draw a border in your cell. You need to click on that, just like that. Or you can also change the style of the border here, like this. So I choose this one. And we need to click on OK. So as you can see, it has drawn a line for me to separate the days and time. Now what I'm gonna do is change the font size to 9 and okay. And there you go, you've split one cell into two parts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Meet you guys in the next video.